Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Mysterious Works. The universe works in mysterious ways, and it has the perfect timing to bring about the greatest change. We can say the works of the divine are in perfect order, and it always has our best interest at heart. It knows how to orchestrate it all in your favor, for you, your loved ones, and humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was beautiful. I agree with this completely. I believe that the divine, God, the universe, whatever you want to call that, always works in mysterious ways that you can't even imagine. So that's why I always say, just follow the doors that open. Follow your heart, what you truly love deep down inside. You can find that. Everybody can. Follow that. You'll always be happy. God, He will open the doors for you in ways you can't even imagine. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.